Welcome to Practical Learning. This is the summary of the play Bartholomew Fair by Ben Jonson. But please, like the video and subscribe the channel. This play starts in the lively city of London. There was a famous yearly event known as Bartholomew Fair. People from all walks of life waited eagerly for this fair. It was not just a market. It was a grand celebration filled with noise, color, and excitement. Merchants came to sell goods, performers came to entertain, and ordinary people came to enjoy themselves. The streets became crowded with stalls selling toys, food, clothes, and strange items from distant places. There was laughter, music, shouting, and endless movement everywhere. At the same time, a strict and serious man named Zeal of the Land Busy lived in the city. He believed that such fairs were full of sin and foolishness. He was very religious and always tried to control the behavior of others. However, despite his strong beliefs, he often misunderstood situations and made himself look foolish. Busy had a young woman in his care named Win-the-Fight, who was clever and more practical than him. She did not share his extreme views and was curious about the world. When the time of the fair arrived, many different people made plans to visit. Among them was a witty young gentleman named Quarles. He enjoyed observing people and understanding their behavior. He was not easily fooled and often found humor in the actions of others. He decided to go to the fair, not just for fun, but to watch how people behaved in such a chaotic place. The fair itself was a lively and confusing world. As people entered, they saw jugglers, musicians, puppet shows, and sellers calling out loudly to attract customers. Some people came to enjoy the fun, while others came with secret plans to trick or cheat others. It was a place where cleverness could bring success, and foolishness could lead to embarrassment. One of the most interesting people at the fair was a man who sold strange goods and claimed they had special powers. He convinced people that his items could bring luck, success, or even love. Many visitors believed him because they wanted quick solutions to their problems. This showed how easily people could be influenced when they desire something strongly.
Another character at the fair was a proud and loud man named Captain Bobadil. He spoke constantly about his bravery and great achievements in battle. He described fights that sounded impressive, but no one had ever seen him actually do anything brave. Some people believed him, while others quietly laughed at his stories. He enjoyed the attention and tried to appear important wherever he went. There was also a simple and honest man named Bartholomew Coax, who came to the fair to enjoy himself. He was excited by everything he saw and wanted to buy many things. However, his lack of experience made him an easy target for tricksters. Sellers charged him more than they should, and performers convinced him to spend money on useless items. He trusted everyone too easily and did not realize he was being fooled. Coax was accompanied by a more careful and intelligent woman named Grace Wellborn. She tried to guide him and protect him from making bad decisions. She understood that the fair was full of tricks and dangers, and she warned him to be cautious. However, Coax was so excited that he often ignored her advice. Meanwhile, Busy decided to visit the fair not to enjoy it, but to expose what he believed was wrongdoing. He wanted to show people that the fair was sinful and dangerous. However, as soon as he entered, he became confused by the noise, the crowds, and the strange activities. His attempts to control others often failed, and people did not take him seriously. As the day continued, many small events took place. Some people argued over prices, others laughed at performances, and some secretly planned to cheat others. The fair became a place where every person's true nature began to show. Greedy people tried to take advantage of others, proud people tried to show off, and foolish people made mistakes. Quarles moved through the fair, watching everything carefully. He noticed how people acted according to their desires. He saw that those who were greedy became victims of tricksters, while those who were patient and observant avoided trouble. He understood that the fair was like a mirror, showing people their true selves.
One of the main attractions of the fair was a puppet show. Many people gathered to watch it. The puppets told stories that were funny, but also meaningful. They showed characters who were greedy, proud, or foolish, and the audience laughed because they could recognize these traits in real life. Even Busy watched the puppet show, hoping to criticize it. However, the performance cleverly responded to his complaints, making him look foolish in front of everyone. This moment showed that even those who thought they were always right could be wrong. At the same time, thieves and tricksters moved through the crowd, looking for easy targets. They stole small items or tricked people into losing money. Coax, being innocent and excited, became one of their victims. He lost some of his belongings and felt confused and upset. This was a lesson for him about the dangers of trusting strangers too easily. Captain Bobadil also faced a moment of truth. After boasting so much about his bravery, he was challenged to prove it. When the moment came, he could not live up to his own words. People realized that his stories were exaggerated, and he lost some of his pride. This showed that empty words cannot replace real action. Busy, who had come to criticize the fair, ended up becoming part of its comedy. His strict behavior and constant complaints made people laugh at him. He tried to argue with performers and visitors, but they responded in clever ways that made him look foolish. By the end of the day, it was clear that his understanding of the world was limited. As evening approached, the fair began to slow down. The noise became quieter, and people started to leave. Some were happy with their experiences, while others were disappointed. Many had learned lessons, even if they did not fully realize it at the time. Coax understood that his excitement had led him into trouble. He realized that he needed to be more careful and think before trusting others. Grace Wellborn felt relieved that the day was ending and hoped that Coax would remember what he had learned.
Captain Bobadil, though embarrassed, began to understand that pride without truth leads to failure. Busy, despite everything, still held on to his beliefs, but his experience at the fair showed that he could not control everything. Quarles reflected on the day's events. He saw that the fair had revealed the true nature of many people. Some had shown wisdom, while others had shown foolishness. He understood that human behavior is often guided by strong emotions like greed, pride, and curiosity. When these are not controlled, they can lead to mistakes. In the end, the city returned to its normal life. The stalls were taken down, the performers left, and the streets became quiet again. However, the experiences of the fair remained in the minds of those who had attended. The story of Bartholomew Fair teaches an important lesson. It shows that people are often guided by their desires and habits. When they act without thinking, they can be easily fooled. But those who observe carefully and think wisely can avoid trouble. I hope you have enjoyed this, but please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.